Next one, difference between elements and compounds. Elements made up of only one kind of atom, compound made up of more than one kind of atom. The smallest particle that retain all its properties is the atom. The smallest particle that retain all its properties is in molecule. Here atom, the molecule cannot be broken down into simpler substance. They can be broken down into element by chemical method. This is the important 3-mark question, the difference between elements and compounds. Dear students, study and understand well. Next one, mixture. A mixture is an impure substance. It contains two or more kinds of substance or compounds or both physically mixed together in any ratio. For example, tap water is a mixture of water and some dissolved salt. Lemonade is a mixture of lemon juice, sugar and water. Air is a mixture of nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, water vapor and other gases. Soil is a mixture of clay, sand and various salts. Milk, ice cream, rock salt, tea, smoke, wood, seawater, blood, toothpaste and paints are some other example of mixers. Alloys are mixture of metals. These are the example. More to know. LPG, liquefied petroleum gas. It is highly inflammable hydrogen gas. It contains mixture of butane and propane gases. LPG, liquid through pressurization, is used for heating, cooking, auto fuel, etc. Dear students, from these 2 pages we studied elements, compounds, mixture, the differentiate between elements and compounds. Now we study the differences between compounds and mixture. There are differences between compounds and mixture. They can be shown by the following activities. Take some powdered iron filling and mix it with sulfur. Divide the mixture into 2 equal halves. Keep the first half of the mixture as it is, but heat the second half of the mixture. On heating, you will get a black brittle compound. What do you know about the activity? The black compound is iron 2 sulfide. Iron plus sulfur, when heating it gives iron sulfide. Iron sulfide form has totally different properties to the mixture of iron and sulfur as tabulated below. Substance, appearance, effect of magnet. Iron element, dark grey powder attracted to it. Sulfur, the element, yellow powder, its original appearance. Effect of magnet is none. Iron plus sulfur, the mixture, tertiary yellow powder, its original appearance. Effect of magnet, iron powder attract to it. And also iron sulfide, the compound, black solid, there is no effect of magnet. From the above experiment, we can summarize the major difference between mixture and compound. Mixture, it has the properties of different elements. What is compound? They contain 2 or more substance, but it form only one appearance. Do you know blood is not a pure substance? It is a mixture of various components such as platelets, red and white blood corpuscles and plasma. Next one, the difference between mixture and compounds. Mixture, it contains 2 or more substances. Compound, it is a single substance. Its constituent may be present in any proportion compound. These constituents are present in definite proportion. Mixture, they show the properties of their constituent compound. They do not show the properties of the constituent elements. The components may be separated easily by physical method. In compound, the constituent can only be separated by one or more chemical reaction. From the lesson, we make some questions. This is the homework for today. What is an element? What is a compound? What is a mixture? What is LBG? Distinguish an element and a compound. So, dear students, study these 5 questions and answers and write the test. Thank you.